Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your account number, smart meter serial or in-home display ID, and current balance so you know if emergency credit is allowed. Once you have those, open the Scottish Power app or log into your online account and navigate to the Pay as you Go section. Make sure your phone's signal or Wi-Fi is stable because the request needs to reach supplier systems. Once done, you'll be ready to request emergency credit immediately. You now request the credit. Use the Scottish Power app, the customer portal, or call their emergency pay as you go line and ask for emergency credit. The supplier will either push credit remotely or give a token to enter on your meter keypad or IHD. If you receive a token, follow on screen prompts and enter digits exactly. Keep the reference number and wait. Remote pushes often complete in minutes, but can take longer. Make sure to watch your display to confirm the new balance. Finish by confirming the new balance on your IHD or in the app and restart any appliances that need power to resume. This verifies the credit actually arrived. Then plan a top-up to repay the emergency amount so normal billing resumes and no future blocks occur. If the credit does not appear, make sure the meter has signal, attempt token entry again if given, and call Scottish Power support with the reference number. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.